Namaste. This is Krishna Sagar Rao, spokesperson for BJP Telangana. In reference to the issue being made out on Tarun Vijayji's statement regarding the South Indians, let me first state the facts. The fact is Tarun Vijayji is not an MP, he is a former Rajya Sabha MP. And what he has made as a statement is in defense of India not being a racist country. If the words have come in a flow which didn't represent his thoughts, it is certainly erroneous statement and he has apologized for it. It is human to err, and you and me can make the same mistake while speaking and expressing our thoughts. We can use words which don't represent our thoughts. It happens all the time. Now, there is no intention to hurt anybody because Tarun Vijayji has been a part of a party which believes nation first, which believes Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, which believes Ek Bharat, Shresht Bharat. So how can we even think of having an ideology of divisive understanding of the country? So it is clear that Tarun Vijayji made a mistake in expressing his thoughts in a way the words didn't represent them. And then that is a mistake and he has apologized for it. The issue should stop there, rest there. It's also important to know Tarun Vijayji has played a key role in certain issues of Tamil politics and Tamil nativity. And he also is the only non-Tamil individual as a journalist who has been awarded and recognized for his work in Tamil Nadu by an academy which is into literary accomplishment measurement. So you have to understand that just by reacting to what he said might not do justice. I request everyone to calm down a little bit, inclusive of our own regional leaders in Telugu speaking population, Telugu speaking states, like Pawan Kalyanji, who's taking an opportunity to strike for no reason. I think there should be some semblance and some maturity to understand the background of the man and also what he represents, what ideology he represents, and not make a mountain out of a molehill. I request everyone to take the situation and the statement in the context it was spoken. Thank you.